of all the errors, glitches, and problems you might encounter while using Windows, few generate as much fear as the dreaded operating system not found screen. So in this video, let's take a look at how to fix the problem. Now, since you are unable to boot your operating system, one option is to restart your PC straight from the power option of your computer. But if that did not work, check the BIOS of your computer, and you can do that by pressing the common keys like F1, F2, F10, Delete, Escape, as well as the key combinations like Control, Alt, Escape, or the Control, Alt, and Delete keys. Although, the exact key or combination still depends on your computer manufacturer and model. But once you have known how to enter the BIOS menu, within the Boot tab, highlight Hard Drive, and then press Enter. Now you have to make sure that the hard drive is listed above the USB storage, CD, DVD, PD-ROM, removable devices, and network boot. Now you have to try resetting the entire BIOS menu to its default values. You can do that by pressing the key for Setup Defaults or the Reset BIOS option. Then you have to confirm your decision when prompted and then restart your machine. Another option is to activate Windows Partition. To do so, open Command Prompt with admin rights, type in disk part, press Enter, then type list disk, press Enter, and you will see a list of all the disks attached to your machine. Now you have to make a note of the disk number you need, then type select disk and the number, then press Enter. Type list volume, press Enter. Now finally, type active and then press Enter as well. Now to see if the process was successful, you have to restart your machine. And that's how you can fix the following error in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.